Do you know that with 10,000 naira, you can start a business today in Nigeria and make as much as 100 to 500,000 naira monthly? I know it sounds too good to be true, but this is the very video where I'm going to be sharing with you very practical, relatable ways that you can actually actualize this money. Yes, it is 10,000 naira, but I want you to see it as a seed capital. It is not small because very soon you're going to look back and have so much to be grateful for. In fact, you're going to share your testimony where you will say, I started with 10,000 naira against all odds and see where God has brought us today. If this is your testimony, I need you to watch to the very end of this video because the number 4 that I'm going to be sharing with you has the capacity to generate you multiple streams of income. I mean 10,000 naira becoming multiple streams of income, and I'm not even kidding. Hello besties, you're welcome back to the channel. How you are doing? If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, you're most welcome. I am Philomena, your personal finance bestie, helping you to build wealth one smart money move at a time. And this is the Feel First community. On this channel, we talk about business ideas, passive income ideas, growth tips, investment tips. If this is the kind of a video you love, please hit on that subscribe button because I have so much more videos coming your way. Like this video as well and share with someone. This first business that I'm sharing with you, you don't even need capital to start it. What you need is already what is in your hands, your smartphone and data to connect to the internet. The lady that I get my wigs from, she's into this business and she is cashing out over 200 to 500,000 naira monthly. She doesn't own a shop. What she does is she links up with people who are selling quality human hair. So she goes to their shop, she takes samples of their hairs, take pictures of it. Some of them already have good pictures already. They send to her. She takes it to her WhatsApp status. She posts it. She posts it on her TikTok. She posts it on her Instagram. And a lot of people are patronizing her. She is my church member, so it's natural that I patronize her, right? Because we're in the same department. So this is how she is making her money. From one hair, she can make as much as 30 to 50,000 naira profits. And in a month, she can get as much as 5 to 10 heads because if she's not getting a customer from Instagram, she's getting a referral, just like I am talking about her in this video, because she sells quality hairs. And then there is a church member that is patronizing her. There is somebody on her WhatsApp status. There is someone on Instagram that is reaching out to her. Because when you get this product, you are going to love it and then you're going to come back again or even make referrals. That is how she has been able to affiliate herself with these brands and she is cashing out on it. She has no shop of her own and she is making good money from the comfort of her home. You may say there are people that don't buy hair at once. So how is she going to do it? This is what she does. When you give her money for an instrumental payment, she'll collect it from you and put it in piggy vest and be getting interest on your money. She is getting interest on the money that you paid to her. And at the time that you have decided to pay everything, she will now take the real money that she needs and take it to the vendor, give you your hair, and she gets her interest, she gets her profit all in one business. Can you beat that? Without even doing much. And now that she has made so much profit from this business, she is now selling her own hairs. You can see that she's already improving on her business from just not having anything to start with. She now has so much money to even invest back into the business. Watch this video where Zix Aloma equally explained it even more.
This Aloma hair, we sell hairs, right? You can come as an affiliate marketer to affiliate yourself with Aloma hair. We know you. Oh, my name is so. I want to be selling hairs. If you like, you can even decide to name your own brand. Let's say your name is Nkechi. You can decide to do hair by Nkechi. Let me even shock here. It can be easier for you. From your house, do you know from your house, you can make a docket of receipts. We've known you already, Abby. You can make a docket of receipts. If you like, if you want to even drop the docket of receipts with the brands you're affiliating with, you can do that. You can make your own packaging and drop your hair by Nkechi with Aloma hair. Register your business, open your business page. Do you understand? If you have an order set, all you need to do is just to be posting, or you come once in a week and take videos, your own videos with a plain background, even here, and you be posting on your page. You'll be creating content from your house. If somebody buys hair from your hair by Nkechi, you just tell us you are selling for us, so we'll gladly partner with you. We can even help you to write your receipts. We'll put it in your hair by Nkechi package. We'll send it to your you've not moved though. You just paid us and removed your own profits from the comfort of your home without doing nothing. You can do this with real estate brands. You can do this with car brands. You can do this with anything.
So you see, with zero capital, what you need is what you already have in your hands. Don't snooze on it. With 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira, you can start making liquid soap from your kitchen.
I made 20 liters of quality multi-purpose liquid soap, spending only 5,500 naira.
Take it to your neighborhood, sell to your neighbors, take it to your church or mosque. People are going to patronize, because one thing I realized is when you take these products to church or mosque, because they are people of the same faith with you, they naturally want to just help and appreciate your startup. There are people like that God will bring your way, that just wants to support you as you're starting. So you can actually take this product to your church and your mosque, sell it to them. When they use it and they see how beautiful and good it is, definitely they are going to come back for more, and they are going to refer you to other people. That way you keep expanding your business. So with 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira, you can start making liquid soap. If you don't have the knowledge of how to make soap, you don't have to worry. You can watch videos here on YouTube that will teach you how to make soap from the comfort of your kitchen. I am telling you, and you're going to experiment just with a little product, and you will see how it will come out. It is very easy and simple to start. You don't want to snooze on this particular one, because just with 10,000 naira, you can start this business and scale it up from there. You know one snack that people cannot stop eating just one? It is puff puff. Yes. Frying of puff puff and chin chin business is very beautiful, it's very lucrative. You can start it from wherever you are with 10,000 naira, because it is so endearing to people. Like for me, it is very nostalgic. I can remember when I was much younger, I used to love puff puff so much. So any and every time I see puff puff, it's either I'm buying it for myself or I'm buying it for my kids, just because of that memory of how I used to feel when I used to eat it in those days. I know it is still the same story for a lot of people. So with just 10,000 naira, you can buy your flour and start making your pop pop. When you're done making this pop pop, take it to people that naturally they are excited when they see pop pop. And where can you find those people? In schools, in churches, and in mosques. After the close of prayers, people definitely want to just eat something. Children want to snack on something, and that is where pop pop business or chin chin comes in. People naturally want to snack on it. So when you sell these things in this kind of busy places, you will sell out everything in one day, and then you can go back again to make. Please, when you are making profit, do not be tempted to eating your profit. You have to put it back into the business, because I know how tempting it can be, but just try to discipline and just hold yourself and reinvest your profit back into this business, so that before you know it, you're no longer selling at small scale. You are now supplying to major supermarkets, restaurants, because you are upscaling, and you cannot upscale when you're not reinvesting back to your business. So please try to be disciplined. I know it is not easy with the economy and everything, but just know that you are doing this for your future. This is another one that you don't need a startup for, and it is my favorite. Do you know that you can be running errands for mothers, for professionals, for business busy people, especially if you are living in busy places like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt? Especially with estates, they are looking for people that will be running errands for them, and then you are getting paid for it. In fact, they call it personal shoppers. Yes, you are a personal shopper. You're not just an errand girl or an errand boy. You are a personal shopper. You can actually be shopping for people, and they will be paying you for it. With time, if you are actually very honest, they are going to be giving you referrals that before you know it, you'll be shopping for people abroad. Yes, it just starts with one opportunity that you maximize, and then the person is referring you to one person, and then from another. It just goes on like that. Before you know it, you are running errands for several people, even from people that are abroad. You are shopping from them here in Nigeria, and of course, you're making your cool cash. As in, you can make as much as 100 to 500,000 naira in a month. I kid you not, doing personal shopping for people. Another way you can actually make multiple sources of income from it is by vlogging. Have a page on TikTok, on Instagram, where you are documenting your process. What are you doing when you're telling people, okay, I am actually going to so and so market, and I'm shopping this? You have a lot of things to film, to record, and to put out there. People are going to see that and say, oh, she's doing personal shopping. Okay, she has a page. I mean, people know her. Let me start following her. That's how they'll be following you. And when they have personal shopping to do, they can equally contact you via your handles. As if that is not enough, what are you doing? You are building a community, you are building an audience. Once you get monetized on TikTok and on YouTube, you are going to be getting paid for it. So now you are shopping for people, they are paying you for the services, and you are building a community as well, where the platform is now paying you for adding value. And of course, what are you doing? You are building a community that brands are going to be looking at. Before you know it, brands are reaching out to you. Because you're a personal shopper, people who are into all these products are going to reach out to you and say, oh, come and advertise this for us. We know that people who love shopping come to your page, so they definitely may want to come and look at these products that we are selling. Now, from a personal shopper, you are now working with brands. The platform is paying you. They are equally paying you for the service that you're arranging, and you are making cool money from it. You will not just be a thousandaire, please. You are going to be a multi-millionaire from this. So if you're still sleeping on this, if you are a vlog girl, you are a vlog boy, you like documenting your process, this is one of the businesses that you can start with just your smartphone and data, and you're going to be earning from it in multiple ways. Popcorn business. I mean, you don't need all the fancy machines as you're starting with 10,000 naira. With your stove, you can start popping your corns, of course, with 10,000 naira. And then you can scale it up from there. When you pack your popcorns, take it to schools, to churches, to mosques, and sell to busy junctions and sell to people. In a day, you can even sell everything. Put your profits back into your business and then upscale from there. Before you know, in a month or two, you have bought your own machine. So you're not going to be using your stove to pop again. You now buy your own machine, and from there you keep on scaling up your business. People that you see that started with 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 naira, and they are multi-millionaires today, this is the secret to it. As long as you're not touching your profits in such a way that it is harming your business, I mean, you still have a percentage of your profits that you are putting back into your business, that business will keep upscaling. But by the time you start into your profits and your capital, you know that that business is headed to doom. But as long as there is a percentage of your profit that you keep putting back into your business, it can only keep scaling up. Success doesn't just happen overnight. Success has footprint. As long as you are doing the right thing consistently, I want you to know that God is going to reward your efforts. If you can get a table stand at the market or a busy junction, you can actually profit from this business very much. Selling of fruits or vegetables. Now, I'm using all because if you are starting with 10,000 naira, it's only realistic that you can only be selling fruit, or you're selling pumpkin and those other greens. But if you have more capital, you can actually combine both, and of course it is going to be more profitable for you. But if you're starting up with 10,000 naira, you want to concentrate on just selling fruit or you're selling veggies, yes, it's very profitable, but you need to be in a busy place because they are perishables. You need to sell them on time so that it doesn't go to waste. So look for a place in the market where you can put your table and then sell, or you look for a busy junction where people are constantly coming and going and start selling there. Trust me, with just 10,000 naira, you can start up your sales of veggies and fruits, and it's equally a very profitable business. It is rich to the body, so having sales will not be a problem because a lot of people already know the importance of what you're selling. But you need to be in a strategic location so that you're able to sell all that you have quickly without waste. 2019, 2020, it was the year of face masks. People were cashing out on face masks. A lot of people made money from selling of face masks. And you know what is now very popular is selling of bonnets. Yes, a lot of ladies are always wearing bonnets, different colors, and so it is a business you can start with 10,000 naira. Go and meet a tailor and tell the tailor to make bonnets for you. You can start selling it, or you can watch DIY videos here on YouTube and learn how to make it on your own with your needle and thread neatly. You can practice this with your leftover materials, and when you have mastered it, you can start making it yourself. Do you know you can actually make Ankara fancy earrings with bangles? There are different videos on YouTube that you can watch. Know how to make bonnets, Ankara scrunchies, and sell them. These are things that are trendy right now, and you know ladies love things that are trendy, so people will buy it from you. You can put it on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram. Your social media handles are your outlets for all of your business. So please don't say that I'm a shy person, I don't like to post on social media. You cannot be doing that in today's day and age because people are making serious money from this internet, and you too have to cash out as well, please. So you have to be putting yourself out there. Even if you don't want to show your face, put out your products, let people see what you are selling, let people begin to mind your business as well, of course, and you're going to be making money from it. Thank you so much for your time here. I hope you have got one or two ideas from this video. Let me the one that speaks to you the most in the comment section. Let's gist about it. If you have done any before, let me know that in the comments as well. Let's gist about it. Thank you so much for your time here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel as well, and see you in my next one.